Hey everyone, welcome to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new to the channel, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. But now let's get right in today's topic. This right here is regarding XRP. This is quite an urgent update in my personal opinion. I will get into why that is and how this can affect the price of XRP in the immediate short term, even in the next 24 hours, if this were to get more news on it. So let's get right into it. Looking at the price of XRP right now, it is currently trading at 36.3 cents. It is down about 0.1% in the last 24 hours in USD comparative, along with 4.6% in BTC comparative over the last 24 hours. Market cap is holding strong at the $18.5 billion mark, and the 24-hour trading volume is also currently sitting at $1 billion. So what is the news that I'm talking about? One thing we can just clearly tell is that the entire market right now is seeing a little bit of steam within itself and a little bit of momentum after the Circle news that came out that they will be covering that 3.3 billion that was gone with Silicon Valley's bankruptcy. But speaking about Silicon Valley bankruptcy, how does this tie with XRP? Let's get right into it. This is some breaking news that just came out about 20 minutes back, and I wanted to make this update right away for my viewers right now and the XRP community. As you guys can see, it says just in, Ripple CEO confirms the company had an undisclosed amount of cash in Silicon Valley Bank, SIVB. So now comes the question, what does it mean by undisclosed amount? Could this be in millions of dollars? Which can, quite frank with you, be covered. Obviously, there's reserves that are in place. Maybe they do have banking with some other banking banking institutions. But if this thing is billions of dollars, then we're looking at some massive problems, in my personal opinion. And let's just hope that, Ripple company itself did not have just one financial institution that they were banking with. I'm a huge believer on XRP, but these are some risk factors that are not in our control. We don't know what's going behind the scenes, and let's hope, I am pretty confident that they are aware, according to the historic price patterns, the history behind the financial crisis, that it's not good to bank with one institution, because if that one institution fails, guess what? Everything that you had with them is gone, and then you can't run your business, and then you have to file for bankruptcy. So it is a very critical. Obviously, banks are closed right now. Today is Sunday, tomorrow is Monday morning. We're going to hear more news come out, even about the USDC. It's not over yet. I think we're still going to see more clarification come out on this, but now comes the question, where is XRP going in the immediate short term? Before we get into the price, as always, anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So something I want to share with you guys. You guys can see XRP is sitting at some very, very critical levels of resistance, as you guys can see, before we do start breaking back towards the upside. And you cannot make this up. We're literally finding some resistance and a hard time breaking out here. But if you did pick up some XRP after the USDC news came out and saw Bitcoin fall down to 19.5, we saw XRP go all the way down to that 34.7 cents. And if I bring out the measuring tool for you guys, we're up about 3.4% since then. But now comes the question that could really take XRP lower if they say that this amount is too much. And let's just pray. I know XRP community, we're always going to be optimistic about everything, but that's just not how it goes. Right now, this is a massive red flag that is in front of us, and we need more information tomorrow morning, or maybe even in the upcoming week, as to how much money they're talking about right now. If it's in billions of dollars, we could see a massive pullback for XRP, and I cannot make this up right now. It's just, a fact. People are going to come say XRP hardcore fans. I'm a huge XRP fan myself. I have a huge place in my heart for XRP. If you've been following the channel for quite some time, when I came into this market in 2016, it was the first coin that I bought on bitfinex.com. So I have a huge support for this project. I want it to succeed, but these factors can affect the price, because this is a huge if they declared for bankruptcy, the bank, and XRP had $1 billion, $2 billion, $3 billion in the account, again, this is just pure speculation. We don't know the amount. If it's an amount like that, then we could see a massive sell-off occurring for XRP, and that is no question asked. That is going to happen in my personal opinion. It just makes sense. But if XRP was, let's say, if it's a couple $1 million, then I think they can cover that quite easily in terms of that. So very, very critical news coming out right now. This is huge. A lot of people are underestimating it, but we do need to see how this thing plays out as we are going into tomorrow morning. And we're looking at Bitcoin is forming a green candle. Obviously, we were in an oversold territory, and obviously the Circle news is causing a little bit of positive news coming out, and Bitcoin is shaking out all these shorts that were piling up, and we could be in a short squeeze. Who knows? Obviously, now more and more people are starting to see why Bitcoin is the king of the market. Bitcoin is its own bank. You are your own bank, and no one can control your Bitcoin. No one can say, sorry, the bank is declaring for bankruptcy, so your money's gone. Absolutely not. You're your own bank. You own your own funds, and there's no one that can question that. And those are some things that we do need to keep in mind right now. But if I do look at BTC dominance, not much has been happening. So altcoins are following the overall momentum, but we need to see how this thing plays out. Let me know down below what you guys think about this news that came out. What are your thoughts on this? Do you think that there's a lot of money in here, or do you think XRP, Ripple as a company know better? They know not to put everything under one bank. Let me know in the comment section below. But this is massive, and I know everyone that understands finance will be realizing how big of a red flag this really is if we don't hear more information about this. But as far as the SEC case goes, we're still waiting for some sort of relief, some sort of news that comes out that says, hey, this long lawsuit that's been going on is going to come to an end. Whether we're in a downwards trend, whether we're in an upwards trend, it's no question at this point that XRP is going to be the biggest performer this coming bull cycle if that lawsuit were to come to an end. And I'm saying biggest performer in terms of large cap coins. Obviously lower cap coins are going to produce more ROI, but we're saying from large caps, without a doubt, XRP is going to be the top performer, and I am very optimistic on that. But right now, we do need to see this lawsuit come to an end. But not only that, we need more clarification on this thing as well. And BTC right now, as you guys can see, is going up 21,426. A lot of things are happening. Let's test this 22K mark, and I think things will start looking nice for the entire market. As I've said in my VeChain video, that if we break above 22K mark once again, I do personally see that we could see Bitcoin break above 25K, and that is going to be very, very interesting. So I'll keep you guys updated if anything were to change, but I would love to know your thoughts down below on this entire XRP situation that's going on right now. And yeah, that's it for today's update. See you guys tomorrow in Crypto ZX, and peace out.